Every Monday morning, a data analyst opens their dashboard, exports sales data, checks for anomalies, writes a summary, and emails 5 stakeholders. Now imagine arriving at work and discovering an AI already did all of that, pulled the data, spotted a problem in Germany, wrote a summary, and sent an email before you even sat down. Nobody clicked a button, nobody ran a report. That's not a language model answering question, that's an AI agent doing work. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what AI agents are for, and the four concepts that make them work, and why they might be the most important shift in how we work with data. Welcome to Learn Data Easy. This is a series where we break down data, AI, and cloud concepts without jargon and without stress. I'm Charlene. I work in data and AI. Most people interact with AI through tools like ChatGPT or Claude. You ask a question, it generates an answer. You ask it to explain an SQL query, it explains it. You ask it to write an email, it writes it. These language models are a prediction engine. They look at what you've written and predict what should come next. Incredibly powerful. But here's the catch. They don't have goals. They don't wake up and decide to complete tasks. They wait for you. That's the limitation, and that's exactly what an AI agent is designed to overcome. Stick with me for the next 2 minutes and I'll give you a mental model for AI agents that you'll never forget. 4 words and a restaurant. The easiest way to understand an AI agent is to compare it to a waiter. So imagine this, you walk into a restaurant and you say, I'd like to have a vegetarian meal, please. You don't tell the waiter which cupboard to open, you don't tell them which chef to speak to, you don't tell them which ingredients to use. You give them a goal and they figure out the steps. That's exactly what an AI agent does. You give it a goal, the agent figures out what actions need to happen, gathering information, using tools, making decisions, and works towards completing the task. And that's why you'll hear people describe agents as AI systems that can reason, plan, and act. Here's the framework that makes everything click. Every AI agent, no matter how complex, can be understood through 4 concepts: goals, tools, memory, and planning. Now let me show you what I mean. Imagine I tell an AI agent, tell me whether today's sales look unusual. First, goal. That's the objective. The agent knows what it's working towards. Second, tools. It needs access to a database, a dashboard, maybe an email. Without tools, an AI agent is like a person trapped in a room with no internet and no phone. It can think, but it can't do very much. Then the third, planning. The agent has to decide what to do first. Compare sales against yesterday, against last week, against the same day last month, and which products, which regions. It needs a plan. And the fourth is memory. As it works, it discovers things. Sales in Germany down 35%. One product category performing unusually well. That information must be remembered and used throughout the task. Put those 4 together and the agent can pursue a goal rather than just generate text. Now here's the part most explainer videos skip. How this actually changes your job. And it's bigger than you might actually think. Let me make this concrete. As a data analyst, your Monday morning probably looks familiar. A dashboard, an export, check for anomalies, write an email stakeholders. Now that's a workflow. A workflow is simply a sequence of steps designed to achieve a result. Now imagine an AI agent performing that entire workflow. Every Monday it retrieves the latest data, runs the checks, identifies anomalies, writes a summary, sends the email, and alerts you if something needs attention. In the AI world, you'll often hear the phrase agentic workflow. And that's simply a workflow where an agent is making decisions between steps rather than blindly following instructions. And this helps explain why agents have suddenly become such a big topic. Workflow automation has existed for decades. Businesses have been automating processes for years. What's changed is that modern language models are finally good enough to make decisions. 10 years ago, software followed rigid instructions. Today, AI can look at information, interpret it, decide what action it needs to take next, and adapts when something unexpected happens. You're no longer doing the work. You're supervising the system that does the work. That's the shift. And that's what's happening right now across data teams: finance, operations, customer support, marketing, and many other knowledge-based roles. So what exactly separates an agentic workflow from a traditional workflow? This. A traditional workflow says, step 1, connect to the database. Step 2, export data. Step 3, run anomaly check. What happens if the database is down? The workflow fails. It doesn't think. An AI agent encounters the exact same problem and decides what to do. Try a backup source. Retry in 30 seconds. Use yesterday's data and flag it. The useful shorthand: workflows follow rules. Agents pursue goals. Now I'm going to give you a full-word recap in a moment, but first, here's why all of this actually matters for your career. So, why should you care? Because data jobs are full of repetitive, multi-step tasks: gathering information, checking quality, writing summaries, preparing reports, updating stakeholders. And these are the exact activities the AI agents are getting good at. That doesn't mean data professionals disappear. It means the work changes. Less time manually moving information around. More time deciding what should be analyzed, what matters, and what actions should be taken. The people who learn to work alongside AI agents will accomplish far more than they can today. And the people who ignore this, well, their Monday mornings will stay exactly the same, while everyone else's gets faster. Let's recap the key ideas. A language model generates answers. An AI agent uses language models plus tools, memory, and planning to work towards a goal. The 4 concepts to remember are goal, tools, memory, and planning. The biggest mistake people make is thinking agents are some completely new form of AI. Usually they're not. They're language models connected to systems that let them take action. The magic isn't in a single breakthrough, it's in combining those pieces. In another episode, we'll actually build an AI agent together and see exactly how these components work in practice. And we'll keep it just as simple as this. If this has helped, subscribe and let's keep learning data the easy way. See you next time.